Welcome to episode 12 of the 5-Minute Investor Podcast, where Stockhouse columnists Jonathan Brown and me, Trevor Abbas, each deliver a 2.5-minute stock pick related to recent news stories with investment implications. This week, we're diving into a pair of companies with multi-year track records of profitable growth that show no signs of losing steam. John, where are you seeing potential upside for our listeners this week?
Trevor, we're all getting a bit older, so this one is going to be a bit of food for thought for the future. I've got a Canadian company making big moves in the accessibility space, Savaria Corp. It trades in the TSX under the ticker SIS, and headquartered out in Laval, Quebec. They provide mobility and accessibility solutions, from home elevators to patient lifts. Savaria just posted its strongest first quarter on record earlier this month, with robust demand across both of its core segments, accessibility and patient care. It's been a busy month for this company, too. To expand its footprint all the way out here in Western Canada, Savaria recently acquired Western Elevator Limited, a Coquitlam, BC-based home elevator and lift dealer. Western Elevator generated $7.5 million in revenue last year, and this acquisition can lift Savaria's direct-to-consumer reach in a key regional market. And this market has responded positively. Savaria's stock is on the rise, more than 11% year over year, reflecting a growing investor confidence in this company's growth trajectory and operational strength. So, whether you're looking for solid mid-cap with social impact angle here, or a company that's riding the wave of the aging demographics and home accessibility trends, Savaria might just be worth a closer look. Again, it trades in the TSX under the ticker SIS, and since the beginning of the year, has traded between $19 and $15 a share. As for you, Trevor, let's throw things over to you and see what stock pick is on your mind this week.
Well, taking your lead, John, I set out to find another name delivering profitable growth, this time in the microcap space, to offer listeners a chance to compare and contrast with Savaria's more developed mid-cap operations. My search led me to NTG Clarity Networks, ticker NCI on the Venture Exchange, a software, networking, and IT solutions company founded in 1992, primarily active in Saudi Arabia, with over 1,000 employees catering to large businesses, including financial institutions and network service providers. NTG grew revenue by 7 times, from $7.91 million in 2020 to $56.13 million in 2024, while growing net income by over 10 times to $9.81 million, and its cash position by 33 times to almost $5 million, respectively. Investors have responded positively to this trajectory, elevating the stock price by 327% year over year and by 2,787% since 2020. Management, aligned with 41% insider ownership, expects the company's $105 million backlog as of Q4 2024 to deliver more growth and profitability in 2025. This includes an estimated $75 million in revenue and sufficient cash flow to continue expanding its client base and fostering long-term growth. Supported by a Saudi IT and communications market expected to compound at 8.5% annually through 2030, NTG's money-making ways, proven by the test of time, merit your full due diligence towards a long-term investment. As always, you can find links to the articles from today's episode in the show notes, and you can find more investing insights on Stockhouse and the market online. The 5-Minute Investor is on Spotify, YouTube, iHeartRadio, Podbean, Stockhouse, or wherever finer podcasts are found. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. The material provided in this podcast is for information only and should not be treated as investment advice. For full disclaimer information, please visit themarketonline.ca/disclaimer.